Hi students, today we can study introduction of exercise 1.5 and all the problems from exercise 1.5. First, complement of a set. Now we can see definition of complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and A subset of U. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the elements of A. It is denoted by A dash. We just study through an example on universal set. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then one set A 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. Then if you write A complement, one dash A complement in set A 1, 2, 3 is there. That 1, 2, 3 just delete from universal set. Got it that? Then remaining 4 and 5. 4, 5. That means A complement is set 4 and 5. Check it. From universal set delete elements of set A. 1, 2, 3. Just cut it 1, 2, 3. Then remaining elements, that is 4 and 5. This set 4 and 5 is known as A complement. Then using Venn diagram also we can check this one. This is like one universal set U. Then one set A. Set A. You can write 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. Okay. Then 4, 5 we can write outside. 4 and 5. Then what is A complement? We can shade only outside region of set A. This shaded region. The shaded region is known as A complement. Only shaded region. This 1, 2, 3. These 3 elements not included. Okay. That is complement of a set. You can see properties of complement set. First, complement laws. Then A union A complement we will get universal set. Then A intersection A complement is empty set. First we can see A union A complement. Using by one Venn diagram we can see this is universal set, one set. This is A, set A. Then A complement means this shaded region, outside part. There A not included. This not shaded region is set A, then shaded region is A complement. Then if you take A union A complement, union means all the elements we will take, isn't it? That means if you consider in this Venn diagram, there is no shaded region and the shaded region all included when you take union, isn't it? Then what is that? That is for universal set. Okay. When you take A and union of A and A complement, you will get universal set. All things will included there. Then next Roman number 2, A intersection A complement equal to empty set. We can see that also using by one Venn diagram. This is A, this outside region, shaded region is A complement. Then intersection. Intersection means common terms. In here, can you see any common? Shaded region and no shaded region. No common region in here, isn't it? Then that's why you will get empty. No region. Empty set. There. De Morgan's law. What is De Morgan's law means? A union B all complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. In here, this complement, if you are giving inside the bracket, that time this union will change to intersection. Then second law, A intersection B all complement. This complement symbol, if you are giving inside the bracket, that time intersection will change to union. A complement union B complement. Keep in mind that. Then 3. Law of double complementation. If you take 2 times complement of any set, you will get same set. A complement, all complement, you will get same A. Then 4. Laws of empty and universal set. Empty set complement, you will get universal set. Universal set complement, if you are taking, means you will get empty set. Then all the formulas just write down in your notebook. And see exercise 1.5, question number 1. Let U equal to, U means universal set 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Then A equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to set 2, 4, 6, 8. C equal to set 3, 4, 5, 6. Find first question A complement. How can find out A complement? Then in here in set A 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Then from universal set 1, 2, 3, 4 just delete. Then remaining, which are the elements? That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our A complement. A complement means from, check it, in set A, which are the elements are there in set A, that element delete from universal set. Then write remaining part. In here 1, 2, 3, 4. From universal set 1, 2, 3, 4 just delete. Then remaining elements write. That is known as A complement. Then same like that B complement also we can write. B complement in set B 2, 4, 6, 8. From universal set delete 2, 4, 6, 8. Then which are the numbers remaining? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is our B complement. Then A union C all complement. First find out A union C. Okay. Set A union C means we will write all the elements from A and C. In A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in C, set C 3 already we are written, 4 also written, then 5, 6. 5, 6. Then you have to take complement also. Complement equal to. When you take complement of this set, that means from universal set delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 just delete. Then remaining 7, 8, 9. Set 7, 8, 9. That is our answer. A union C all complement. Then next A union B all complement. A union B. First write A union B all the elements from A and B. In A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In B 2 already written, 4 also written, 6, 8. 6, 8. Then take complement equal to. Then these elements are delete from universal set 1, 2, 3 up to 4. Then 5 we can write 5. Then 6 already is there. Then 7 we can write. Then 8 delete. Then 9. This is our answer. Equal to A complement all complement. What is A complement all complement? Properties of complement already was studied. If you take 2 times complement means we will get same A. Directly we can write that is A only. Then B minus C all complement. What is B minus C? Consider B and C. First write B. 2, 4, 6, 8 minus C. C means 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to. Then 2 only in first set 2 is there, we can write 2. 4, 4 cancel. Then 6 and 6 cancel, then remaining 8. 2 and 8. Then we have to take all complement. complement. In here also we have to write complement. Then 2, 8. Say 2, 8 all complement. That means writing here equal to 2, 8 delete from universal set. Then write remaining all the elements. 1, 2 no need to write. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to write. Then 9. This is our answer. Now we can see question number 2. If U equal to set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, find the complements of the following set. In here, some set given, we have to find out complement. First, Roman number 1, A equal to set A, B, C. Okay, we can find out A complement. A complement equal to, how can find out? A, B, C. These 3 elements just delete from universal set. That means A, B, C. No need to consider. Then remaining D, E, F, G, H. That is A complement. Then B complement. In set B, D, E, F, G. These are the elements. That 4 elements delete from universal set. Then write a remaining part. And write set A, then B, C, D, E, F, G. No need to write D, E, F, G. Then remaining H. This is our B complement. Then same like that, C complement. A, C, E, G. Delete from universal set. Then remaining A no need to write. Already is there. Then B we can write. C no need to write. Then D. E no need to write. Then F. G. G no need to write. Then H. C complement. Then D complement. F, G, H, A. Delete. Then remaining A no need to write. Already is there, isn't it? A. Then B write. B, C. Then D. D. E also we can write. E. Then F, G, H. Everything is there. This is our D complement. Now we can see question number 3. Taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set, write down the complements of the following set. In here, some set builder form given, we have to find out complement. Then Roman number 1, set x such that x is an even natural number. Then you know natural numbers. Which are the numbers are known as natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the counting numbers. That is natural number. And then in here, Roman number 1, x is an even natural number. This given set, if you write in tabular form, you will get 2, 4, 6. Only we will consider even natural numbers. Then when you take complement of given set, what you will get? This 2, I need to write, cut it. Then 4 cut it, 6 cut it. Then what is remaining? 1, 3, 5, like that. Which type number is this one? 1, 3, 5, 7. That is odd natural numbers, isn't it? That means when you take complement of given set, we will get, that complement is set x such that x is an odd natural number. This is our answer. X such that x is an odd natural number. When you take complement of even natural number, you will get odd natural number. Then you have to write in set builder form only, because they are given question in set builder form, isn't it? That's why answer also you have to write in set builder form. Then next, Roman number 2, x such that x is an odd natural number. Then what is odd natural number means? 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. This is odd natural number. If you take complement of this set, what you will get? You will get this 1 cut it, 3 cut it, 5. Then which are the numbers remaining? 2, 4, 6. Which type number? That is even natural number, isn't it? Then we can write complement is x such that x is an even natural number. Even natural number. You can see remaining question. Roman number 3. X is a positive multiple of 3. When you write complement, we can write set x such that x is a natural number but not multiple of 3. We will consider all natural numbers except multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 we cannot consider. Then remaining all the natural numbers we can consider. That is our complement. Then Roman number 4 and 5 we can do similar question. I am going to do Roman number 6. Then x such that x is a perfect square. Then complement you will get x such that x is not a perfect square number. We will consider all natural number except perfect square number. We will not consider this perfect square number. Then remaining numbers. Then 7 also similar question, perfect cube only. We can do same method. Roman number 8. X such that x plus 5 equal to 8. In here one equation given, x plus 5 equal to 8. From here we can find out x value. What is the x value? This 5 bring to the right side. That time you will get 8 minus 5. X equal to 3 you will get, isn't it? Then our set we can write complement x such that x belongs to n natural numbers. X no and x not equal to 3. In here we will consider all natural number except 3. X belongs to n, x is natural numbers, then x not equal to 3. This is our answer. Then remaining all the question you can do Roman number 9, 10, everything. Similar question only. Now we can see question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram. Roman number 1. A union B all complement. First draw one universal set. Then A and B. Inside the universal set, draw two set A and B. A is B. Then A union B means these two A and B all together. Then complement means this outside region. Set A and B don't consider, then remaining part is known as A union B all complement. The shaded region is our answer. Then Roman number 2, draw one universal set U, then two set A B. Then A complement intersection B complement. If you consider A complement, you will get outside region of A. It's like only outside region of A. Then if you consider B complement outside of this B, set B, outside of. Then What is A complement intersection B complement? That means there's two lines, joining part, common part only we will consider. Then this part no need, because that is not common. Then in here also, that also not common. And A, B. The shaded region is A complement intersection B complement. This is our answer. Then A union B all complement and A complement intersection B complement. That will be equal, because one law you have studied, De Morgan's law. It's like A complement intersection B complement. A union B all complement, we can write A complement intersection B complement. That will be equal. Properties of complement. Already you have written De Morgan's law. The study is like, isn't it? That means this two shaded region will be equal. Then sum number 1 and 2. Now 3 and 4 we can see. 3. First draw 1 universal set U. Then two sets A and B. A intersection B. What is A intersection B? That means this common region, this middle part. Then we need complement. That means this common part we will not consider. Then remaining part, shade. The shaded region is A intersection B all complement. That means this in between set A and set B, this part not included. Then remaining all the part, this A, this part also included. Okay, only in between A and B not included. Then 4. U first set A, set B. Set A complement. A complement means outside part. A complement. We'll consider A complement. Then B complement means this part. B complement. Then A complement union B complement. All the region. What means? Then remaining this middle part. The region not shaded. Then remaining all the part is shaded region. We can write A intersection union. Sorry, A complement union B complement. Then this two also equal. Second law, De Morgan's law. We have studied. A intersection B all complement, we can write A complement union B complement. Already we have studied properties of complement. That is De Morgan's law, Roman number 2. Check it. You can see there also A intersection B all complement, we can write A complement union B complement. Intersection change it to union. Then this exercise finished. Then remaining some questions is there. That one you can do as homework.